He is the scion of the Thackeray dynasty, and at 23,
Jai Maharashtra. Going to society, clearing the doubts, trying to interact with them, break perceptions, break the barriers. So that's what my effort is.
Being from the Thackeray family, does it not make you a little first among equals?
Not at all, not at all. I mean, how would I be first among equals parking at Bachelor's or at Ayub's for a role? I mean, they don't even know probably who I am because I'm inside the car or wearing a cap. And that's what I want to do at the end of the day. So,
Have you met your uncle?
no, not really. 96, 97, 98 were very turbulent times for the family. And when we started leading our own lives. And if there's any family event, maybe we catch up at that time. But it's just there. So that. Jai Maharashtra. इन्फॉर्मर असल्यामुळे इथे बसून तुमचे तुझ्याशी गप्पा मारतो मी. सगळ्यांना मराठी येतं की हिंदी इंग्लिश काय चालेल? मराठी हिंदी ठीक है, मिक्स करके मैं कहता. इंग्लिश यू कम here, both of you come here. Sit, come here. Come. What standard are you in? First. And you?
Higher KG.
You are supporting me, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good sit, good father.
Both for Aditya.
Okay, now my work is done, I'm going.
For Sabha, the young leader takes time out for a one-on-one with a student.
Yeah, sure. Singer. The nation doesn't want to know what I sing.
As we all grow up, I mean, we always have our crashes with this big stars. This big
See, the best answer to give in such situations is Madhubala.
Lord, you
Whoever
like-
comes in campaigns for me will be the best.
His next stop is the iconic Sena Bhavan, the party's headquarters at Dadar.
That's just last year, as in 3-4 months ago. So I'm yet to put my touches to this campaign.
What will your touch be? It's fine.
No, it's good enough, but things like, the felicitations I get and all that, all this he has got.
Okay.
Apart from Maharana Pratap and nothing.
Who
he
shot
said,
that?
That is my dad. All these shots are my dad.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is accessible to every Yuva Sainik who can sit here and work. It goes on.
This is now you'll change it. What do you want to change now?
Nothing changed as such, but as I said, that soccer school and this and that is what I got. So, place things what I got here, and whatever dad's got, he said he wants to move it to his cabinet. So, things like that. I'll show you something very silly actually. As I said, my touch. Now this pen stand is mine, and you should see this. This is what I got. I keep buying the most useless stuff in the world, so doubtful and this and that. So it's pointless, but
I mean, it's like a motivational thing, you know, where you keep it.
yeah,
Just move it around, what do you feel?
yeah. That's fine. Now today we're gonna have some little brief touches of what is tomorrow's campaign going to be like. And this and that.
Where's that media?
Here and now in our campaign room, design room. There's a war room out there. So let's see what is happening. Yes.
What is this video section?
This is a war room, and you're one of those few media people who are allowed in here. But from here, we're trying to control. This is the nerve center of Sena in times of elections. Things like website designs and what is supposed to go up on Facebook and Twitter. Today's old.
आज का hashtag क्या है? I mean, there's a daily hashtag.
Today's hashtag is what? Twitter is 140 characters. Congress is all bad characters. In fact, you must have seen our April Fool one. Okay, ते आहे आपल्याकडे April Fool's हा printout बघ. It's at that every April they fool you. This April Fool Congress. Things like that, उद्यापासून एक जे आपण बनवलं आहे मला वाटतं बीजेपीने पण त्यांच्याकडे पाठवलं आहे बेसिकली मिशन 272 मोदींचा फोटो आहे आजाचा फोटो आहे मोदीजी आजा आणि बाबाचा फोटो आहे आणि 6 कॅन्डिडेट्स आहेत कमळ आणि धनुष्य केलं आहे ते आपणच बनवलंय तर ते उद्यापासून पसरायला लागलेलं आहे चलो
War room strategy.
या जस्ट पीसफुल वॉर्स गाडी आली अच्छा
Vice President
ओके
उधर हो गया.
हो गया ना
What are these people from Andhra? Don't you, I mean, apart, you know about bachelors, don't you like to party?
No, it's not my scene. I mean, if someone says let's go clubbing, I say okay, let's go to MIG, MCA, and Bengal Club and this and that. But yes, I love music.
What music?
Michael Jackson is of course God for me.
Were you there when you came to your house?
Yes, of course. I mean, I have a picture with him. There's a funny story because I walk into a room, sit on my grandfather's, in his laps, and Michael Jackson says, "Come here." So I said, "Ha, kai bolto?" Because I wasn't well versed with English back then. So all my cousins had jumped on him, taken his autograph and this and that. What happened next was the next day was a show, and I saw him dancing and I was like, "Oh God, this is it!" The next morning, which Michael Jackson has not done very often, he's done this with, I guess, Nelson Mandela and the White House, and then the third person must be my granddad. He just came in unannounced while leaving. He came home and he was seeing all the pictures, and he saw my picture with him and he's like, "Call this guy." And I said, no, I don't want to come, I'm sleeping. But what he did was the most surprising. He went behind, in the ground behind, sat on the ground, the mud ground, and clicked pictures with all the policemen who were on duty then. And I didn't go, so I missed out on that photograph and the opportunity to meet him again.
See, I mean, the issues which Sena took up a decade earlier, say like issues on Valentine's Day, that's against the culture. Do you think Sena still stands on those issues?
I don't think that's happened for the last 5 years. My nightlife proposal is to keep eateries, spas, theatres, shopping malls, roadside restaurants open all night, and especially in non-residential areas. Yeah, I mean, we'll do that sometime. I'll come down.
Okay.
We'll sit over.
We'll have some lunch and then after.
Yeah.
So in about an hour?
Yeah, in about an hour. I'll send something to you. Don't worry.
Yeah. That's fine.
Bye-bye.